Cambodia. Official, the Kingdom of Cambodia is a country in South Asia on the Indo-Chinese Peninsula. It is bordered by Thailand to the northwest, Laos to the northeast, and Vietnam to the east, and has a coastline along the Gulf of Thailand in southwest. It spans an area of 181.035 square kilometer, or 69 glorious 800 stone hidden square miles amid forests, dominated by a low-lying plain and the confluence of the Mekong River and the Tonle Sap, the South Asia's largest lake. It is dominated by a tropical climate and is rich in biodiversity. Cambodia has a population of about 17 million people, the majority of which are ethnically Khmer. Its capital and most populous city is Phnom Penh, followed by Siem Reap and Battambang. For Kingdom of Cambodia, Perich Sianachak, Kampuchea. Mutu Chit Sasna Per Ahaksat. National religion King. No courage. Majestic Kingdom. Capital Phnom Penh. Official lingua Khmer. Official spring Khmer. Any group 95.4% Khmer, 2.4% Kham, 1.5 Chinese, 0.8% other. Religion 97.1% Buddhism official, 2.0 Islamic Muslim, 0.3% Christianity, 0.5% other. The Mons, Cambodia, Khmer, Kampuchean. Historical government, unitary parliamentary constitutional elective monarchy under an authoritarian hereditary dictatorship. Monarchs Norodom Sihamoni, Prime Minister Han Manet, President of the Senate Han San, President of the National Assembly Considery, Legislature, Parliament, Upper House, Senate, Lower House, National Assembly. Formation Fonan 68 to 550, Chenla 550 to 802, Khmer Empire 802 to 1431, Middle Period 1461 to 1863, France Protectorate 11 Adows 1863, Independence from France, then November 1953. Area total 181,035 km persegi, or 69,898 SKMI. Water 2.5%. Population 2024 estimated 17 million 638,801. 71 in the world. Density 94.4 km persegi, or 244.5 SKMI. GDP PPP 2025 estimated total 150,590 billions US dollar. 89 in the world. Per capita, 8.678 US dollar, 132 in the world. GDP nominal 2025 estimated total 51.159 billion US dollar, 94 in the world. Per capita 2.948 US dollar, 139 in the world. JINI 2013 6.0 medium inequality. HDI 0.606 medium, 151 in the world. Currency real, KR the euro and the facto. United States dollar, USD de facto. Time zone UTC 7 o'clock ETC. Kan kode 855 ISO 3166 kode KH. Internet TLP.kh. The many net renders support to display the camera text in the article currently in 802 ED. Jaya Farman to declared himself king, knitted the wearing Khmer prince of Chelna under the name Kambucha. This marked the beginning of the Khmer Empire. The Indianese kingdom facilitated the spread of first Hinduism and the Buddhism to South Asia and undertook religion infrastructural project throughout the region, the most famous of which is Angkor Wat. In the 15th century, it began a decline in power until in 1863 Cambodia became a French protectorate. Following Japanese occupation during World War II, Cambodia declared independence from France in 1953. The Vietnam were embroiled the country in civil war during the 1960 culmination in 1970 coup, which installed the U.S. aligned Khmer Republic and the takeover of the Communist Khmer Rouge in 1975. The Khmer Rouge ruled the country and carried out the Cambodian genocide from 1975 until 1979, until there were also during the Cambodia-Vietnamese War. Peace was restored by the 1991 Paris Peace Accord and subsequent United Nations peacekeeping mission, establishing a new constitution, holding the 1993 general election and ending long-term insurgencies. The 1997 coup that consolidated power under Prime Minister Han San and the Cambodian People Party (CPP). Cambodia is consultation, monetary and multi-party state. Although the CPP dominated the political system, the UN signatories Cambodia, a large development country, agriculture remains its dominant economic sector, with growth in textile, construction, beer, mining, and tourism, loading in research, foreign investment, and international trade, corporation, human rights use, and deforestation have remained challenges in Cambodia post-conflict development. The official and most widely spoken language in Khmer and the most widely participated religion in Buddhism. The country's culture and tradition are spread by its Angkorean heritage and international influence over its histories. Economy. Main activity economy of Cambodia. GDP per capita to 2018.
The goal of the transmitter in this case is actually not to transmit my audio to any receiver, but instead to function solely as a 32-bit filter. Now, whenever I'm filming with a shotgun mic, I have a normal internal track, but I also have a super clean, super flexible 32-bit track. And by the way, this audio is recorded with the Rode MTG shotgun mic into the Rode Wireless Pro system, where it's recorded with 32-bit filter.
1950 under 1,000 US dollar. 1960 1,000 US dollar. 1970 under 1,000 US dollar. 1980 under 1,050 500 US dollar. 1990 1,500 US dollar. 2000 1,500 US dollar. 2010 under 2,500 US dollar. 2018 Cambodia 3,500 US dollar. GDP per capita 1915 to 2016 GDP per capita adjusted for 600 overset and information on but one international per capita income it's 4,022 US dollar in PPP and 1,039 US dollar in nominal per capita. The United Nations designated Cambodia as a less development country. Most rural households depend on agriculture and its related sub-sector rich fish, timber, garment, and rubber are Cambodia's major export. The International Research Institute IRI and producer more than 750 traditional rice varieties to Cambodia from its research bank in the Philippines. These varieties has been collected in the 1960. Based on the economics IMF annual average GDP growth for the period 2001-2010 was 7.7%, making it one of the world top 10 countries with the highest annual average GDP growth. Tourism was Cambodia western growing industry, with arrival increasing from 215 in 1997 to over 2 million in 2007. In 2004, inflation were at 1.7% and export at US dollar 1.6 billion. Citation needed for stand in some repeat. Oil and natural gas deposits from Cambodia's territorial water in 2005 yielded potential but remain most untapped due in part to territorial disputes with Thailand. But filled in some repeat provinces, the National Bank of Cambodia is the central bank of the kingdom and provides regulating overseeing to the country's banking sector, and is responsible in part for increasing the foreign direct investment in the country. But when 2010 and 2012, the number of regulated bank and microfinance institutions increased from 31 converted entities to over 70 individual institutions, entering the growth with the Cambodia banking and financial sector. In 2012, Credit Bureau Cambodia was established with direct regulator overseen by the National Bank of Cambodia. The Credit Bureau factor increased the transparency and stability with the Cambodia banking sector, as all bank and microfinance companies are now regulated by law. The report accurate fact and figure relating to land performance in the country. One of the largest challenge facing Cambodia is still the fact that the older population often lacks education, particularly in the country set from a lack of basic infrastructure, but of renewed with political instability and corruption, with the government discouraged foreign investment and delivery. although there has been significant help from bilateral and multilateral donors. Donors pledged $504 million to the country in 2004, while the Asian Development Bank alone has provided $815 million in loan grants and technical assistance. Grants are often demanded from companies operating in Cambodia when obtaining licenses and permits, such as constitutional permits. Former representatives in Battambang Province, Cambodia ranked among the worst places in the world for organized labor in the 2015 International Trade Union Confederation (ITUC) Global Rig Index, landing in the category of centuries with no guard of rig. In April 2020, Cambodia National Assembly has adopted a law on trade union. The law was passed at a time when workers have been taking sustainable protect in factories and in the state. The money were increased in improvement in the working condition. The concerns about Cambodia new law are not law by Lagos and Rig Group, but international organization. More currently, the International Labour Organization (ILO), who country official for Thailand, Cambodia, and Laos (PDR), has noted that the law has several key concerns and gaps. Textile, the government industry, represents the largest portion of Cambodia manufacturing sector, accounting for 80% of the century's export. In 2012, the export grew to $461 billion, up 8% over 2011. In the first half of 2013, the government industry report export worth $1.56 billion. The sector employs 335,800 workers, of which 91% are female. Better Factories Cambodia was created in 2001 as a new partnership between the ILO and the International Financial Corporation (IFC), a member of the World Bank Group. The program engages with workers, employers, and government to improve working conditions and boost the competitiveness of the garment industry. On 18 May 2018, the Project Advisory Committee (PEC) of the ILO Better Factories Cambodia program met in Phnom Penh. The profit input into the draft conclusion and recommendation of the BFC as independent midterm evaluation, as well as disclose options on how to further strengthen the program statement reporting initiative. The member of the PEC conclude with the finding of the evaluation related to the impact the program has had on the Cambodia garment sector and workers, including contributing to the overall growth of the garment industry by improving the lives of at least 500,000 Cambodian workers of factories in the BFC program and many more of their family members. She ensuring that workers receive current wages and social protection benefit the virtual eliminating gold labor in the sector, making Cambodia's government total service overall, creating a level playing field for labor across garment sector, influencing business predictive thought when using factor data to hit and for improvement and to being a core part of risk management strategies of international brand buyers. Tourism. Main activity tourism in Cambodia every year net 2.6 million tourism visit Angkor Wat in Siem Reap, Cambodia. The tourism industry, the country's second largest source of foreign country after the textile industry. International visitor arrival in 2018 topped 6 million, a tenfold increase since the beginning of the 21st century. Tourism employs 26 of the century workers, which translation into around 2.5 million jobs for Cambodian. Besides Phnom Penh and Angkor Wat, over tourism design include Sihanouk in the south, which has several population beaches, and Battambang in the northwest, but of which are popular stop for backpackers who mark up significant portion of visitors to Cambodia. The art around Kampot and Kep include the Bokor Wheel Station are also of interest to visitors. Tourism has increased steadily each year in the relatively stable profit since the 1993 untouched election. David Island coincide in Cambodia. Most international arrived in 2018 with China's tourism regime adjusted US dollar $4 billion in 2018, accounting for almost 10% of the kingdom gross national product. The Angkor Wat historical part in Siem Reap province, the beaches in Sihanouk Valley, the capital city Phnom Penh, and Cambodia 150 Chinese, up from just 57 in 2018, are the main attraction for foreign tourism. Cambodia reputation as a safe destination for tourism has been hindered by civil and population unrest and several high-profile employees of serious crime committed in tourism. Visiting the kingdom, Cambodia tourism souvenir industry employs many people around the main places of interest. The quantity of souvenirs product is influenced to fast the increasing number of tourism. Most products sold to tourism on the markets are imported from China, Thailand, and Vietnam. Agriculture is the mainstay of the Cambodia economy. Agriculture accounted for 9% of GDP in 1985 and employed approximately 8% of the workforce raised in the principal commodity. Major secondary crop include the major cassava, sweet potatoes, groundnut, soybeans, sesame seed, dry beans, and rubber. The principal commercial crop in rubber in the 1980, it was an important primary commodity, second only to rice and one of the century few sources of foreign exchange. Transport, the civil war and neglect severely demanded Cambodia's transport system. With assistance from other countries, Cambodia has been upgrading the main request to international standards, and most are vastly improved from 2006. Most main roads are now preferred. Cambodia has two rail links totaling about 812 kilometers or 380 miles of single 1 meters 3 foot 3 inch cargo track. The lines run from the capital to Sihanouk Valley on the south coast. Trains are again running to and from the Cambodia capital and popular destination in the south. After 14 years regular line service, Paduan to the cities restarted recently, offering a several option train route for traveler. Train also run from Phnom Penh to Si Sopen. The top train of the round only as far as Battambang. As of 1987, only one passenger train per week operated between Phnom Penh and Battambang, but US dollar 141 million project funded mostly by the Asian Development Bank has been started to revitalize the languishing rail system that will interlink Cambodia with major industrial and logistic centers in Bangkok and Ho Chi Minh City. Besides the main inter-provincial traffic artery connecting Phnom Penh with Sihanouk Valley, resurfacing of former dirt road with concrete asphalt and bridges. 5 major river crossing have now permanently connected Phnom Penh with King Koh. or Kong, and Hanche the is no interested road access to Nok Boiring, Thailand and its road network. Citizen at Phnom Penh Airport Silk Train, Cambodia's road traffic accident rate is high, the world standard in 2004. The number of road fatalities per 10,000, which is has 10 times biggest in Cambodia, then is the development work, and the number of road deaths had doubled in the preceding years. Cambodia extensive in land waterways very important historical in international trade. The Mekong and the Tonle Sap River, then numerous tributaries in the Tonle Sap provided avenues and considered like including 3,700 kilometers, 2,300 million navigable years by craft daring 0.6 meters, 2.05 and another 282 kilometers, 175 miles navigable. The craft daring 1.8 meters, 5.9 feet. Cambodia has two major ports, Phnom Penh and Sihanoukville, and 5 minutes on Phnom Penh at the junction of the Basak, the Mekong, and the Tonle Sap rivers, in the only river port capable of receiving 8,000 ton ships during the wet season and 5,000 ton ship during the dry season. With increasing economic activity has come in increasing in automobile use, the motorcycle still predominate. Club and hand me down friends or Cecil just has where population in the 1990 but are increasing rapid by Demarcus carrier attached to motorcycle and which is imported from India. Cyclops are only way to Cambodia in the cyclist seat begin the passenger seat. Cambodia has 3 commercial airports in 2018. They handle a record of 10 million passengers. Phnom Penh International Airport in the Bukit Airport in Cambodia. Siem Reap Angkor International Airport is the second basis and serve the most international flight in and out of Cambodia. Sihanouk International Airport is in the costly city of Sihanoukville. Teck Ho International Airport intended to replace the existing Phnom Penh International Airport as the city's main airport in century currently under construction. Science and technology main clear science and technology in Cambodia. A national committee for science and technology representing 11 ministers has been in the since 1999. Although 7 ministers are responsible for the country's 33 public universities, the majority of these institutions come under the umbrella of the Minister of Education, Youth and Sport. In 2010, the Minister of Education, Youth and Sport approved a policy on research development in the education sector. This move represented the first step towards a national approach to research and development across the university sector and the application of this for the purpose of national development. This policy was followed by the country's first national science and technology master plan 2014-2020. It was obviously launched by Ministry of Planning in December 2014 as the culmination of a 2-year process supported by the Korea International Cooperation Agency. The plan makes provision for establishing a science and technology foundation to promote industrial innovation with a particular focus on agriculture, primary industry, and ICTs. Cambodia was ranked 103 in the Global Innovation Index in 2024. Energy. Cambodia has potential for developing renewable energy resources, even though the country has not attracted much international investment in renewable energy. By 2020, the century served as a model to learn from for another ASEAN countries in terms of conducting solar power auction to attract more investment in renewable energy. The government could improve renewable energy governance, adopt clear urges development, and effective regulatory framework, improve profitability and facility market entry for international investor. Cambodia is vulnerable to the navigation effect of climate change, and it is advised that country focus more on developing renewable energy as part of climate change mitigation measures. Thank you.
Unboxing new Cambodia 200 reals banknote.